our vlog. We are
back in the shed.
In the shed. Brad is here to build, yet again, more windows.
Yeah, they're bigger than ever this time. We're back with a vengeance. So we've done our highlights, we've done the door. Now it's time for the big hunky donks.
I'm really excited about it.
Yeah, 3 meters by 1.5. They're just absolutely massive, and it's twice as much work as I'm used to because I'm making twice as much of everything. Because
how many bits did you have to chop?
36 pieces
per window.
Just for all the windows in this one piece. So that's of course grading our old timber back down again using the machinery, like we did in our last video, which you can see up over here or maybe here. And yeah, we're using all those same processes just to make these massive windows. So it's very, very time consuming, but getting an awesome finish. So.
Yeah, we're so happy with the door. Oh my goodness, it is the door of dreams. If you haven't seen it, go check out that video. I'll put it up there. It is just, I've been walking in and out of the door, just like feeling like I'm in some sort of movie, just like in and out. Like
just stepping in and out of the door.
So Brad's gonna be in here chopping all of the pieces of wood and grading. And again, if you're not aware, I feel like I say it 1,000 times, but this is our old wood that we've pulled from the ceiling, so it's upcycled wood, which we'll be using in every single window of our house. And that is why the next many videos is probably just going to be us installing different kinds of windows, because we're replacing every single one. But the really exciting part about this window kind of set, so we have the massive one at the bottom and we'll have a highlight window at the top, is that we're adding in more windows, we're not just replacing them.
That's right, yeah. We're putting in some extra special feature windows, like some on the angle to follow the new roof. Yeah, some bits and pieces just to help elevate the rooms, give them all that height and, most importantly, the light into the rooms as well.
It feels quite dark. So it's really exciting. So I'm going to leave you here with Brad while he cuts
6,000 pieces of timber. So sit back and enjoy.
Woo! And then we're going to find a time to install it. It's a piece of cake.
Driving down an empty freeway.
Good morning, everyone. So this morning, Brad and I went to pick up our flooring. It's really exciting. We actually have our floors in our house. Very exciting. Brad's dad is here. He helped us pick up our flooring and they've started on the window and the highlight. So this morning, we are preparing to put our new window and our highlight in. This is a big window and the highlight that will sit on top. It's really, really exciting. I will take you through and show you what they're up to, and then I'm off. I'm not ready for renovations. I'm off to a birthday party. Hi, Brad.
Hi. The sunrise behind me. I'm driving down an empty freeway. No waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing the sunrise behind me.
Oh my god, looks like a completely different house! It's so light!
Alright, so we've finally finished building this. Didn't take too long. These things are pretty easy to put together, nice and quick. Really modular. There's so many different ways of putting it together, but there is a really certain way you should put them together. That is all in the instructions for the websites. You don't need a ticket to build them up to a certain height, which is really awesome. But I personally have my own ticket to go much higher than this and with a bigger size scaffold. But you don't need to be an expert or professional to do it up to a certain height. But this is a really great scaffold for us. It's a nice single bay scaffold. It's not really too big. You can wheel it around, so it's on nice 6-inch casters. And there's lots of difference in the range that you can purchase for these, but this is a great kit. And one of the things I'm absolutely obsessed about with this, it comes with a working tray. This is genius. I've never seen anything like it before in 10 years on site. It's just so awesome. It sits in between the handrails and it gets you a good place to put all your things, which is just so fun. So I'm really looking forward to using that. Saves kicking all your tools and your drills off the top when you're trying to walk around on specifically such a small platform as this. But this is going to allow us to do all of our high level stuff. You could do eaves, our ceilings, our top level windows, flashing, all that sort of stuff. I'm going to be using this around the house, so you'll get to see a lot more of it, but man, what a good bit of gear.
Brad is just finishing up tweaking the scaffolding outside, and I'm going to start sanding down our big window because we did a lot of wood filling before we put it in. So I'm going to sand the wood filler back so it's smooth and then start to prime it. So I'm going to get started on that, and hopefully we'll be able to get the infills of our window in very soon. Let's get started.
I'm driving down an empty freeway. No waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing the sunrise behind me. Oh, oh, oh.
is glazed, and we do have to just patch and paint and sand the bigger window. I've been sanding it all day today. There's a little bit to go, and then we will paint, prime, and then of course do our black paint, and then we can glaze it, and we're ready to
It's
go.
all that mayhem to finish this afternoon off. I'm trying to beat the weather, just slap some paint on there, get some glass in here, and let's get it done.
Hard to see this time of night because it's black. But there it goes.
Late night work nights.
That's right. Good morning, everyone. You might see just my head because I'm trying to show you a highlight. So last night we were able to glaze everything but these bottom two operable windows, and that is because we need to cut back the screws in order to get the glass in, and it was too late to make noise, so we had to defer that for today. But everything is glazed. I can't believe the difference it makes. It's amazing. And we just have to go through, do another coat of paint, sand back where we've done our wood filler, and kind of do those finishing touches that's going to make it feel perfect and beautiful and very sleek and gorgeous. So this is where we got to. We're going to keep going over the next few days and finish it off and get rid of the scaffolding, but I can't believe the difference that it makes.
I'm driving down an empty freeway, no waiting for the light to change. I'm seeing the sun.
So Sam's finished painting our beading, which is awesome. We've got a whole heap of links here to finish the highlights, which is going to be great, so I can dismantle this scaffold, get it inside so we can finish off, but this is the last thing I need to do out here. I have all my fun new gadgets, my new bead cutters, my new tray, my new brads. It's all happening now, so we're going to smash out these beads, get this finished up, and that'll be the end of this video. So thanks as always for watching. Please subscribe and follow us for more content. See you later.